There is nothing subtle about the Tasmanian oak collection from Real Wood Floors. With 2 colors in the exotic Tasmanian oak species and 6 colors in the impressive 9.5-inch wide European white oak planks, this floor makes a grand impression wherever it is installed. The ideal Tasmanian oak customer wants a floor that is unlike any other floor out there. This floor not only draws attention and is beautiful, but it also tells a story and becomes a focal point in the home. For the 2 Tasmanian oak colors, they work great with a modern or a minimalist design style. For the 6 European white oak colors, they work great in an open floor plan or in a very large space where you can really display and show off the impressive size of these planks. One unique element to this collection can be found in the Bruni and Sheffield colors. Just like the name implies, the lumber for these 2 colors is sourced from the island state of Tasmania off the coast of Australia. But this floor doesn't just have a great story to it, it also has a truly impressive and unique graining pattern. Notice the tight vertical grain on this floor. For someone who wants a clean, linear look to their space, the Tasmanian oak collection could be perfect for them. For the other 6 colors of this line in the European white oak, the first thing you will notice is the immense size of the planks in this floor. At 9.5 inches wide and 8 feet long, these boards draw the attention of anyone who sees this floor installed. And it's not just the size of the planks that draws their attention, but also the unique color treatments that are used on this floor. Through a variety of layered, proprietary, artisan color treatments, we create truly a one-of-a-kind and unique-looking floor. There's a mixture of textures in this floor, and every color is unique. Some have very light wire brushing to them, and others have more distressing.